Are you making these 5 money mistakes that cost Americans thousands every year? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are and how to fix them. By the end, you'll know how to protect your money and make it grow. Many Americans struggle with money not because they don't earn enough, but because of a few common habits. These mistakes slow down wealth building, even if you have a good income. The good news? Each mistake can be fixed with simple, actionable steps. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can happen at any time. Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to rely on credit cards or loans. Solution: aim to keep 3 to 6 months of your expenses in a separate savings account. Even starting with a small amount each month builds a safety net that protects your finances. Mistake number 2, using high-interest credit cards irresponsibly. Carrying balances month after month can cost hundreds or even thousands in interest each year. Solution: pay your credit card balance in full every month whenever possible. If you need a card, choose one with a low interest rate or rewards program that actually benefits you. This keeps your debt under control and your money working for you instead of the bank. Mistake number 3, ignoring retirement accounts. Many Americans delay contributing to their 401k or IRA, thinking they'll start later. But every year you wait is a year of lost compounding growth. Solution: start small, but start early. Even $50 or $100 a month invested consistently can grow into a significant nest egg over time. The key is consistency, not perfection. Mistake number 4, spending more than you earn. Budgeting isn't glamorous, but it's essential. Many Americans live paycheck to paycheck, unaware of where their money goes. Solution: track your spending for a month, cut unnecessary expenses, and allocate the rest towards savings or investing. A budget isn't restrictive. It's a plan to make your money work for you. Mistake number 5, not investing early. Waiting for the perfect time to invest is a trap. The market rewards time, not timing. Solution: start investing even small amounts now. Thanks to the power of compounding, consistent contributions over years can turn even modest investments into substantial wealth. The earlier you start, the more your money grows while you focus on life. Avoid these 5 mistakes and your money will start working for you instead of against you. Start building an emergency fund, pay off high-interest debt, invest in retirement accounts, budget wisely, and start investing early. If you want more simple, actionable ways to grow your money in the US, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Every week, we break down personal finance and investing in a way anyone can understand.